In the heart of Louisiana, crawfish, often called mudbugs, are more than just a meal. They are a cultural icon. Native American tribes like the Huma first harvested these crustaceans, a tradition embraced by Cajun and Creole communities who perfected their preparation. By the 20th century, Louisiana's crawfish industry boomed, becoming the nation's top producer, with the Atchafalaya Basin at its core. The crawfish boil is a hallmark of Louisiana culture. Live crawfish are purged, then boiled with a mix of spices, cayenne pepper, garlic, onion, and bay leaves. Additions like corn, potatoes, and sausage soak up the spicy broth, creating a feast poured onto communal tables. The seasoning is key, with families guarding secret blends. Common elements include cayenne for heat, garlic and onion for depth, and lemon for brightness. Crawfish boils are social events, celebrating occasions from birthdays to festivals like the Louisiana Crawfish Festival. To savor the best, visit spots like Hawk's Crawfish in Rain or Cajun Claws in Abbeville during peak season from March to June. Crawfish embody Louisiana's rich heritage and communal spirit.